Okay, class, today we are going to learn about math. Cameron, what is 9 plus 10?
21!
Incorrect. The correct answer is 19. You got your first strike. 2 more and then you're sitting on the bench for half an hour.
You know what?
Ouch, Cameron, stop it. Cameron, how dare you do that to Scratch? That's it, you got your second strike. 1 more and then you're sitting on the bench. Anyways, class, it's time for lunch. Okay, children, it's time for playground.
Yay!
I'm
Happy!
so excited.
Boing!
A, B, C, D,
Boing!
E, F,
Swing!
H, I,
Boing!
J, K, L,
Swing!
M, N, P, Q, R, S,
Swing!
T, U, V,
Boing!
W, X, Y,
Boing!
and Z.
Swing!
Boing! A, B, C,
Boing!
D, E, F, G,
Boing!
H, I, J,
Boing!
K, L, M, N, O, P.
Boing! Boing!
Viewers, I changed it to elementary school because I got a comment saying that it was the wrong school name. So I fixed the mistake and that's all. My son! My daughter! Scratch and Millie, did you have a good day at school? Yes, we were okay. But Cameron got in trouble. Glad that you guys are okay.